Hello guys, and welcome back into another video. Let's talk about the weekly watch list stocks that I'm watching and some ideas that you guys can get, and just the overall market, what to expect for the market. We have earnings today. I want to go over the whole calendar, investing.com/economic calendar, and overall Russia and US drama and all of that, FUD happening over this week. So today, it's going to be a very, very, very interesting week. Even taking a look at SPY. So I want to start off with the news. And first of all, we have a lot of earnings going on this week. Taking a look at this calendar, on Tuesday we have Roblox, Upstart, Airbnb reporting earnings. On Wednesday we have Shopify, Nvidia reporting, Cisco, Fastly is going to be a very, very interesting one, because literally every single time when Fastly reports earnings, it just drops. Okay, you guys can see over here, literally every single time Fastly reports earnings, it just dies down. It's just horrible. And overall, taking a look, Fastly does have some sort of a setup. So it'll be very, very interesting on how much lower can Fastly drop, because we do have a nice gap to the downside for Fastly. So, on Thursday, we have Roku reporting, Redfin, Walmart, Palantir, some Cathy stocks we have over here. On Friday, we have DraftKings, which is pretty interesting because, we have Super Bowl today. So going to be very, very interesting for DraftKings. Taking a look at the calendar, a very, very, uncertainty week. We already have a Russia and U.S. drama, that is already causing a lot of FUD. We have inflation. Remember, the CPI we had reported last week was just horrible. So, pricing in rate hikes. On Wednesday, we basically have pharmacy. Now, Tuesday, we have PPI, which is very, very similar to consumer price index. It is producer price index. So this also tracks inflation, just something to understand. Later, I will be making videos on those stuffs. Core retail sales, nothing much. FOMC minutes, basically, just the Fed monetary policy. And overall initial jobless claims and all of that stuff going on this week. So definitely a week worth of uncertainty. And there is a lot of FUD this week, and I'm mostly probably just going to be watching this week. And definitely there is a lot of fear. Whenever we have someone, saying war, inflation, rates, causing all of these major headlines, stocks are plummeting, crash, that is the time to really start scaling into shares for the long term. Now, taking a look, okay, let's take a look at the SPY daily. Okay, keep in mind, I was very, very bullish last week. Okay, I was very, very bullish last week. I was in triple QQQ shares, which got stopped out for on Friday. I was very, very bullish, but technicals were looking great. Everything was looking great. And, all of this news really messed up everything. I was doing my own thing and we just had some random news. So that is just something to keep in mind. Technical analysis is nothing, it's not 100%, but we always have to set that stop loss. So taking a look at SPY, we went from breaking the downtrend to forming a massive, massive head and shoulder. So head and shoulder is a bearish pattern. We have the head, the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and then we have that major support around 430. As long as if we don't break that level of support, we are looking good. So this week, we're basically looking to test this level of support. Let's add the 200 and EMA. The 200 and EMA is the major, indicator that I am looking at, because that is a major level of support. Things are going to be looking very, very ugly if we break 430. But as long as if we hold, okay, at this level, it is going to be looking fine. It is going to be looking good. If we break that level, it's just going to be, things are going to be getting very, very ugly. And we can, draw the supports down below for SPY. But just overall, things are going to be looking very, very ugly if we break 430. One thing to also watch is going to be volume, okay? As we saw, on the previous dips, if we have volume confirmation, we can see signs of reversal and signs of people buying into the dip. We already saw a very nice amount of volume, so it is going to be very, very interesting, if we hit this level of support 430, and if we get a huge surge in volume, that is going to be a very, very nice indication. So volume is going to be a very, very nice indication that you guys should watch next week. Taking a look at UVXY, again, things just got reversed. We were looking very, very bullish with all of this news, and now we're looking very, very bearish. Taking a look at UVXY, which is the fear index, it is above the level of resistance. So UVXY is looking very, very bullish. We broke off the downtrend, and overall, for us to be bullish, UVXY needs to be below this level of resistance. So overall, we do have a lot of fun and a lot of uncertainty, and even taking a look at UVXY, very, very high volume. Taking a look at QQQ, it's already starting to have a massive bear flag, another head and shoulder, and things are not looking great. Taking a look at Tesla, we went from that ascending triangle to basically, testing back the level of support down below. As we can see over here, let's draw out these lines over here to support of 770.22. So 772. So let's take a look at XLF, which was our bank's ETF. It's looking to test the support down below. Banks also pulled back, so we're looking to test the support down below. Bank of America also. Okay, so Bank of America banks are all looking to test the support. Now everything is looking bearish. Even taking a look at Apple, it's looking to break the level of support. Everything is basically looking bullish. Taking a look at bearish. It's looking to test back down to level of support. Even Coinbase. First of all, Coinbase did have a pretty nice ad on the Super Bowl with those QR codes, so that was pretty interesting. But the things that are looking very, very, very bullish are gold and oil. Okay, so if you guys do want to make some bullish plays, we have on gold and oil. Now, I am already in gold, so GLD is a kind of like a gold ETF. Again, gold is breaking out, and it is looking very, very, very nice. I am playing this with straight up just shares because I don't want to be dealing with theta. And I bought in, before we broke out, because again, I've been talking about this play for a while. Very, very nice surge in while. So gold is definitely looking very, very bullish this week. Taking a look at, oil. First of all, oil and gold are all running because of all of this FUD with Russia and war. So taking a look at, SU, which is oil, it's looking to break off of a very, very nice bull flag, and overall looking to go to all-time highs. Overall, oil is very, very extended. So things are going to be looking very, very interesting. Overall, that is all very, very interesting video, for you guys. And overall, mainly just gold for this week, just writing up on gold. And overall, recently, the market has been not, on my side, really. The past 2 years have been great for me, but mostly just going to watch, looking at some shares play. I also forgot to go over Starbucks with a gap play down below. So if we actually take a look at Starbucks, it has a gap down below. So this can be setting up for a very, very nice puts play at market open. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow at the market open. Make sure to join the NFT Discord down below. And overall, see you guys next week. I will be posting more NFT content, crypto content, really trying to expand my YouTube because the stock market is not looking, too good right now, and I'm mostly just sitting on cash. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow at market open.